We want to find a simplified fraction that represents x equals 1.24545 repeating. So I'm going to break this up as 1.2 plus 0.04545 repeating. And the idea here is have the repeating by itself and then everything else separately. Because now from the repeating I can factor out a 45 because that's being repeated every time. And then for the first one here we have 0.045, that's 1 over 1000. So this is like 45 thousandths. Okay, so 45 thousandths is just 45 times 1 over 1000. And then the next 45, you go 2 places over, which is same thing as like multiplying by 1 over 100. So it'll be 100,000. And then you add 2 more zeros to 100,000 to get 10 million. 2 more zeros will be 1 billion, etc. So every time you're multiplying by 1 over 100 every time. And so this is a geometric series. The formula is the first term divided by 1 minus the ratio. Now the first term is just 1 over 10 cubed. The ratio is 1 over 10 squared. So you have 1 over 10 cubed divided by 1 minus 1 over 10 squared. Now 1 minus 1 over 10 squared, that's the same thing as 1 minus 1 over 100, which is just 100 over 100 minus 1 over 100 and just 99 over 100. And then 10 cubed is just 1,000. Here we're going to divide the two fractions. So when you divide the fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So we're multiplying by 100 over 99. And notice that the 100 is going to cancel with the 1,000. So we have 1 over 10 times 1 over 99. That's going to give us 1 over 990. Next, the 45, you can break this up in terms of 5 times 9. So 9 and 990, that's going to be, well, 990 is just 9 times 110. So the 9s are going to cancel. We have 6 over 5 plus 5 times 1 over 110. At this point, I'm just going to multiply the 5 with the 110. Although technically this will simplify to 1 over 22, but when you get a common denominator, you're still going to have to get 110 as the denominator. So you do that by multiplying 22 top and bottom. Add these and get 137 over 110 as our final answer.